Okay. Picker, it's on the picker, so I've got to undo the stand. Super hot here today. I don't know, September, it's like 30 today, 31. Yeah. First, she's very rambunctious today, probably wants me to go home. So he nibbles at me and bites. Yep. Come on, Hirsch. Ow! Terrible dog.
Oh, here.
Yeah, not the inside. Yep, tender skin there, buddy. Yeah, a little grease helps, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should have taken all this almost before we painted that one black. But I guess
What's that?
this stone and stuff. But if we had more time, I guess we could have.
Oh yeah,
But that's a future project.
yeah, that's kind of what I figured. Nobody sees that with the water pump on and that.
And I was gonna say, who knows how long this
This one will be in there.
305, you know.
Well, that's just it, right? What do you got?
This looks like it was like cracking there.
Pretty famous for this stuff.
Already though?
Oh yeah. Anybody? Oh, them are rub marks? No, they're just rub marks.
Aren't those like that?
Oh, them ones are. Yep. If anybody's kneeled on it or pushed on it. Yep.
Bastards.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's how quick that stuff.
That's crazy.
Welcome to Corvette.
I don't like it, man. Damn. I do like that black on the red though. I don't think I can paint it now.
What's that? Oh, the black?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good like that, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody must have leaned under, pushed under something.
Right.
It'll crack the gel coat.
Right.
Is all it is. But okay, you done for a bit? Tear yourself out. I'm soaking dog urine. Beat it. Yeah. Hirsch, come on, buddy. Come on.
I don't know how he's still going.
Him?
Yeah.
He can go for a long time if he decides to. Oh, man. Okay.
And then there's two on this side.
Yep. Two on that side.
Done.
Yep. Then there's a spot, just stick them in the stand, so we'll shove them in the stand.
Right.
Okay, Hirsch, no, beat it. Ah, come on.
Still going here?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Gonna get
Go on
put to
now.
timeout soon.
Go out of the mat. Yep.
Yes, and tomorrow I'll have to order one of those belts.
Order what?
One of those belts, that one that got ripped.
Oh, okay, yeah, remind me, then we'll get one ordered.
Oh, you're being a wanker.
Oh,
You're being a wanker. Oh,
I'm just so dog drool.
oh, fuck. How about you just go chill out? Huh? Once you stop getting pets, you're gonna be back at it.
Oh, yeah. Hirsch, come on. Give me that break, buddy. clutch plate. Same size as the other one. Yep, so your starter should work. And yeah, we can get that stand out of the way. So maybe just, oh yeah, yeah, jack it up some. Might have to. Oh, come on, Hirsch. Come on, bud. Ah, yeah. We have to find a different flywheel because this is one piece rear main seal. They take a slightly different flywheel. We found this one that was marked 305. They do have a little external weight on them. We checked out the teeth on it. They all looked all right. We got a bunch of bolts right here. Okay, Hirsch, come on, bud. See you around, Hirsch. Yeah, we need a socket for these.
Are we better off to take these plugs out right now or after?
You can pull them out now. Yeah, let's pull them out now so we don't have the headers or something hitting them anyway.
Okay.
And breaking them.
Let's
Ratchet over there, on that side.
yeah, isn't that over here?
Yep. Okay, you better go lay down now. Go lay down. Yep, go lay down. You had your fun. Beat it. You're not going home yet. We'll find a place to have a little nap.
You're doing like what, 5/8?
Yes. Yeah, there should be a couple spark plug sockets in there.
Yeah.
Gonna need a torque wrench.
Yeah?
Yeah, probably an adapter. 1/2 inch to 3/8.
Right.
We're talking about pulling the pan off of this and checking bearings to make sure everything was all right. Decided we ran out of time. We're just going to chance it and see what happens. So I guess you guys will be along for that, and we'll see what happens. Whether this is a decent motor, decent running motor, or it ends up being a dud. So hopefully we're not running a dud. We did spin it over and had oil pressure and stuff. Didn't have any bent push rods. That all looked good. Seems to turn over fine. Supposed to be decent under a guy's bench for several years, but you know how that goes. So we'll be back.